In this video, we are going to analyze the poetic device simile. Hello dear students, today we are going to see a new chapter, a poem written by Robert Louis Stevenson. The name of the poem is From a Railway Carriage. From a Railway Carriage is a short poem written by Stevenson explaining the experience and enthusiasm behind a train journey. In this poem, Stevenson uses a number of figures of speech to ensure the quality and beauty of the poem. Today, we will be discussing one of those figures of speech used by the poet in this poem, a simile. A simile is a figure of speech that directly compares two things. Now, let's see some examples. The baby sleeps like a koala. In this sentence, the sleep of the baby is compared to that of a koala. His sister is as gentle as a lamb. In this sentence, the gentleness of his sister is compared to that of a lamb. So, these two sentences are examples of comparison. We can also say that these are examples of similes because it uses words like and as to compare between things directly. Now, we can say that similes are a way of comparing things using words like or as. Let's look into one more example. The strawberries are red like roses. In this sentence, the color of the strawberries are compared to that of a rose flower. And for comparison, we use the word like. So, this sentence can be called an example of a simile. What is the difference between a simile and a metaphor? When metaphor compares implicitly, saying that something is something else, similes compare things directly using words like or as. Let us do an activity. Read the first stanza of the poem and find out the examples of similes from it. Yes, the examples of similes from this stanza are and charging along like troops in a battle. In this sentence, we can see the word like, which is used to compare. Fly as thick as driving rain. In this sentence also, we can see the use of the word as for making the comparison. So, we can say that these two lines are the examples of similes from this stanza. Hope all of you are clear with the figure of speech simile. With another aspect of this poem, we'll see you again in the next video. Thank you.